What's up guys, it's George from the channel Football Mountain. Today I'm doing a video which is based on fidget spinners. So basically in this video I'll be showing you guys all my fidget spinners, because I wouldn't show you guys my fidget spinners since Thursday. So yeah, let's get on with the video. So the first fidget spinner I'm going to show you is my black one. Here it is. It is kind of broken because if you have a look, you see that one's sticking out, that one's right in, so when I spin it, like stops it spinning, like pushes it in, like pushes it right in. If you look like this, if you push it right in, it stops. So yeah, but still, that is my first fidget spinner. It's pretty cool. If I had to choose a favourite thing about it, it'll probably be the colour. It's like a matte black colour, it doesn't shine. So yeah, that's my first fidget spinner I'm going to show you. Sorry about my bed squeaking. The second fidget spinner I'm going to show you is purple metallic one. It is somewhat missing here, what kind of go part of the belly. But other than that, it's really good. It's pretty loud. Put it right near the mic. It's super loud. But yeah, fidget spinner as it is. Now my next fidget spinner is a silver one. Now this is a metallic one again, and this one's pretty quiet. So when I put it right up to the mic, it will sound louder, but it's pretty quiet and it's really cool. Like a silver metallic one, shiny one. It's awesome. So the next one is this one. Now all three these are missing. On this side they're not. But this fidget spinner was one of my favourites. Yeah, it's not my favourite anymore. You'll see why, and I'll show you why. But this one, it's really cool. This one, and yeah, it used to be one of my favourite fidget spinners. Now it's not, and you'll see why later on in the video. So the next one is this green one. It's not shiny, it's like matte, like not shiny at all. It's a pretty quiet one and it goes super fast. Like, super fast. It does look pretty slow on camera, maybe, but it's super fast in real life. Yeah, that's my next fidget spinner. Oh no, that was this fidget spinner, but the next fidget spinner is a metallic green one. Which, yes, the middle's missing, bearing from the middle, but it's a challenge, this one, because, like, you have to hold your finger or your thumb right in the middle. If you hold it there, like, look, it just stops. But if you hold it in the middle, it doesn't stop. So it's like a challenge I try and do. Balancing. So, yeah, that's that fidget spinner. Now, yeah, keep those two to the last one. Next one is a red fidget spinner. This one, 2 weeks ago? No, a week ago actually, maybe. Today or tomorrow? I don't know. But I got it last week. It's pretty awesome. As you expect, obviously, most fidget spinners are awesome. Not every fidget spinner is awesome. I think anyway. Yeah, this one, it wobbles a bit. One of the bearings is sticking out a bit, but I'll get that pushed in. But challenge as well, like to keep it on as it's wobbling. Probably see it's wobbling. If you have a look. Wobbling. Yeah, it's a pretty good fidget spinner. Now, on to the final two. It has been a short video. I don't know what to do. Yeah, maybe I'll show you the order of my fidget spinners from best to like most favourite or least favourite, not like the best and the worst. So, I'm actually gonna, I don't know which one to choose first, like, Ip Dip Doop. Oh no, I forgot the song, right, wait there. How am I gonna decide? Right. I'll do... I don't know how to do the Ip Dip Doo. I'll just try it. Ip Dip Doo, Mom's got the flu, Daddy's got the chicken pox, out goes you. So I'll show you this one first. This one, like that, is like a really different one to all the others. All the others have like 3 of these. This one, not. it looks slow, but it's super fast. And especially a lot of fidget spinners, see the middle here, like try to spin, it does spin. Like, only go for a short amount of time, like this one, it doesn't go for long. Like, but this one, I'll show you, goes for quite long. Look at that. Look at that, it goes for a while actually. And it's one of this. This is one of, like, I'll tell you about this one. This used to be my favourite one. This is the one that took it over. This one here, because my light blue is my favourite colour, and it was like, that's why I'm like, oh, this is my favourite. Now I've got the same type as this one, but different colour, multicoloured rainbow one, and this one is so cool. Look at it when it's spinning. Like, this is what it's like when it's not spinning. It's got like orange, like fiery orange, purple, blue, and this one in the middle spins not for long as the other one, this one here, but still spins for quite a while, and it's my second favourite. I'm just giving it away for the least favourite and the most favourite. But now I'm going to show you the order from most favourite to least favourite. So here we go. So the blue one is my favourite. Then it's this one. Then I'll just put them in order and I'll show it in the video. Then it will be this one. Like, take that leopard coloured, like black and orange. Then I think it's that black one, next favourite. Then my red one. Actually, no. Then my silver one. Then my purple one. Then my red one. No. Then my metallic green one. Then my red one. No. This is not probably my green because it's probably the slow stop. Well, I don't know, it's slow stop them all. But so I've had it for a while, and I think it's my least favourite. Normally you think the first one would be your best, but no, it's up to me. Right, I'll show you now actually the order if you've forgotten. Right, so here's the order. It goes that one, around here, and then around here. So that's my least favourite. That one there, and then best favourite, like most favourite is that one there. So that's the end of the video, guys. I hope you've enjoyed watching. Sorry if the camera angles changes because I showed you the row of the fidget spinners. I've still got them in the row here. Right, I'm not going to show you them all. I think I'll row. Yeah. Right, order. So yeah, that's the end of the video. So that is the end of the video. I hope you've have enjoyed. Please leave a like and subscribe, and again leave in the comment section down below video ideas because I've just started my channel. And also, I'm sorry for not uploading on Sunday. Corrupted when I was trying to do foot packs, it didn't work, but I'm going to sort it out. Sunday I might do like a brain blaster video. I don't know, probably my little brother. But anyway, that's Sunday. Yeah, so sorry, my eye. So yeah, I hope you've enjoyed. Please like, subscribe and comment video suggestions, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Thanks for watching.